Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here to talk about another important service that's included in our managed services offering, Office 365 and Google Workspace Backup. Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace are often in use and considered one of the most critical applications for small to mid-sized businesses. Though cloud vendors are responsible for many aspects of the solutions they provide, it is the responsibility of the organization using the service to make sure that data is properly backed up. We know that data loss within these applications would have a major negative impact on your organization. This data needs to be protected with automated continuous backup that is monitored by our support team. This is the reason that this service is included in our managed services offering. Leave it to us to keep the information within these environments protected and give you peace of mind knowing that this information can be recovered quickly. If you'd like to learn more about TeamLogic IT Managed Services and how we can make sure that your data within these environments is protected, please reach out today. Until next time.